Lenovo has enjoyed a generally positive public image of its 2-in-1 laptops for years, namely since debuting the watchband hinge design on its Yoga 900 series of laptops. However, Lenovo knows not to sit on its laurels, hence a rather radically redesigned model for 2018. Not only has Lenovo dropped the watchband entirely in favor of a clever new speaker hinge, the firm has tucked a stylus into the laptop base as well introduced a new webcam privacy shutter. This is Lenovo's flagship positioning itself as a tastemaker once again, and it stands the chance to be just that when it launches later this year. Lenovo is pricing the Yoga C930 at $1,399, about £1,000, $1,900, to start when it launches in the US this October. That price gets you an 8th generation Intel Core i5 processor paired with 8GB of DDR4 memory and a 256GB PCIe SSD behind a 13.9-inch, Full HD, 1920x1080, IPS touchscreen. While Lenovo hasn't disclosed upgrade pricing at the time of writing, you will be able to configure the C930 with an Intel Core i7 chip as well as up to 16GB of memory and 2TB of SSD space. There will also be a UHD 3840x2160 display option available with HDR capability. All C930 models will come with the included stylus inside the laptop space as well as a fingerprint reader for biometric login via Windows Hello.